Hello! In this video, we will be reviewing how to create and administer an assignment with Capti in a secure browser environment. This is very helpful for providing testing accommodations. This feature requires either a Capti Accommodate or Capti Higher Ed organization account. Begin by logging into your Capti teacher or administrator account. Create a new assignment, either from the Quick Start dashboard or the Assignments section of the home screen. Select Quiz or Test from the options. The Creation Wizard will appear. Name your assignment. Optionally, enter a time limit and student directions. Once you are happy with your assignment options, press Create. The second Creation Wizard will appear. Add your content, select which students you want to complete the assignment, add more teachers as proctors, and schedule your assignment if desired. Check out our assignments tutorial video for more information on these options. In a quiz or test assignment, all accommodations will be set to use student default, except for secure browsing environment, which is turned on. If you would like to add or remove an accommodation for all the students in the assignment, click on the three dots next to a listed accommodation and select the desired option from the drop-down menu. If you would like to add or remove an accommodation for a specific student, click on an accommodation to bring up the students in the assignment. Click on the student you want to change the default accommodations. Select or deselect the accommodations that the student will have in this assignment. If you would like to save your selections as the student's default settings, click on Actions and click Save as Student Defaults. Once you are happy with the accommodations for the selected student, click Close. Once you are happy with your settings, students, and accommodations, you can save the assignment as a draft or launch it immediately to your students. Once an option has been selected, you will see your assignment in the assignments list. You can click on the assignment to view student progress, change settings, or to copy an easily shareable link for your students. To access a launched assignment, a student needs to log in to their Capti account. The most recently launched assignment will be in the Spotlight section of the student's assignment screen, with other launched assignments listed right below. To access the assignment, the student simply needs to click on it. The directions and available accommodations will be listed here. Once opened, if a student attempts to minimize the assignment, jump to another browser tab, switch to another browser, or do anything else to leave the assignment screen, a pop-up will appear instructing them to return to the assignment or it will be automatically submitted. If a student turns off the computer, they will not be able to reopen the assignment unless the proctor reposts it for the student. If a student needs to reread the directions, they can click on the Directions button at the top. If a student needs to leave the assignment for any reason, they can leave the assignment by clicking on the Leave button. Once a student has completed the assignment, they should click on the Submit button. A submission screen will appear. Thank you for watching.